This curve on an aircraft wing is not for design. Aircraft wings are curved to help generate lift. When air flows over the wing, it moves faster over the top surface. Faster moving air creates low pressure above the wing. Below the wing, air pressure is comparatively higher. This pressure difference creates an upward force called lift. That is one of the main reasons an aircraft can take off and stay in the air. This concept is explained using Bernoulli's principle in basic aerodynamics. If aviation excites you, subscribe to Aviation First. Let's make aviation simple and approachable.